Alright, so we've got the constant multiple rule here. So if f is a differentiable function and c is a real number, then if I take the derivative of some c times f of x, I'm going to be left with c times f prime of x. So basically that constant is going to just stay right out in front there, and it's still going to be multiplied. It doesn't go anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do these two examples here. So what we're doing is basically we're taking this 10 out in front, and so then this is going to be f prime of x is equal to 10 times 3 times x to the 9th is essentially what's happening here. So that 10 comes out in front. The other way that you can think about it that might make it a little easier is I'm basically taking this chunk 3 and I'm doing everything that's in this bubble first, around that x to the 10. So it's 3 times 10 times x to the 9, which I can simplify and say that f prime of x is equal to 30 x to the 9th power. I'm going to do the same thing here for y, and I'm going to say that y prime is equal to 4/5, because that's what's out in front. This 2 comes down, so it's multiplied by 2, and then all I'm left with is t to the first. So simplifying this, I get 8t over 5.